Welcome. It's me, Özlem, the export and marketing manager of Cadence. We are carrying on explaining the effect paints range of Cadence. The 18th product of this range is the Glow in the Dark. Glow in the Dark is a water-based and non-toxic paint. It is certified according to Euro Norm 71 and CE norms, which you can use safely with your family and the kids. Also, the quality of the products are confirmed by international rewards. Glow in the Dark is a unique paint that absorbs the light and glows in the dark. After a while, the glow effect can fade, and at that time you need to recharge it with the light. When you are working with the glow in the dark, as Cadence, we are recommending you to use the base coat from the premium acrylic. When you prepare your base coat, you can apply the glow in the dark over that one. And also, we are recommending to use minimum 2 coats of glow in the dark. Glow in the dark, like the other Cadence product, has an aluminum foil under the cover and it has a long shelf life. And also, it has one type of packaging which is 50 ml. And it has 5 color options, as you can see here. It is very suitable for your art and craft projects and also can be applied for all hard surfaces, but it is the best choice for the kids' room's decoration. When you finalize your project, it's not possible to see the real effect in the daylight, but when it gets darker, you can see the glow effect clearly in the dark places. Now, let's pay attention to the application.